Good evening, students. In this video, I'll be discussing the answers of specimen paper 4 of Total English, class 12. You can please open to specimen paper 4, question number 3. Let's start with the part A. War and Peace is the longest book that I have ever read. The answer is no other book that I have read is longer than War and Peace. Full stop. No other book that I have read is longer than War and Peace. Whatever he said in the meeting is false. There is no truth in whatever he said in the meeting. There is no truth in whatever he said in the meeting. The third one, it was a difficult task, but it brought him the much needed recognition. The task was difficult, but it brought him the much needed recognition. The task was difficult, but it brought him the much needed recognition. Full stop. Fourth one. I never expected that he would stand first in class. Little did I expect him to stand first in class. Little did I expect him to stand first in the class. Full stop. The fifth one. She is writing down his address so as not to forget it. She is writing down his address lest she should forget it. She is writing down his address lest she should forget it. I regret not buying that house. I wish I had bought that house. I wish I had bought that house. Seventh one. In spite of the cold weather, many parents were present. The cold weather did not prevent many parents from being present. Or you can use hinder also. The cold weather did not hinder many parents from being present. Eighth one. My school is the most progressive institution in our area. No other institution in our area is as progressive as my school. No other institution in our area is as progressive as my school. Full stop. Please don't forget to place the full stop. It's very important. Ninth one. On the arrival of the priest, the ceremonies will start. The ceremonies will start as soon as the priest arrives. The ceremonies will start as soon as the priest arrives. Last one. The criticism of the principal was unjustified. There was no justification for the criticism of the principal. There was no justification for the criticism of the principal. Full stop. Coming to the next exercise. Fill in each blank with a suitable word. The first one, they have broken dash their engagement. So it will be broken off. What is the meaning of broken off? Broken off means to end a relationship. So they have broken off, O-double-F off, their engagement. It means they have ended the relationship. Demonstrators broke dash the police cordon. Broke through. To break through means to force yourself, to force your way through something when there is a lot of hindrance or somebody is stopping you from moving forward and you just force yourself and move forward. So that is breakthrough. So demonstrators broke through the police cordon. Means they forced their way through the police cordon. More than 50,000 fans packed dash the stadium. Packed into the stadium. What is the meaning of packed into? Means to fit in a large number of people or to fit in a large number of things in a place. That is packed into. The next one. We packed dash the summer clothes. The answer would be we packed away the summer clothes. To pack away means to put something in a container or put something in a storage and store it properly. So it will be packed away. We packed away our the summer clothes. Fifth, he put dash all ideas of being a professor. He put aside means to ignore something, right? To ignore something or to not be affected by something. So that is put aside. So he put aside all ideas of being a professor. The next one, put dash your name on the sheet of paper. Put down your name. To put down something means to record in writing. Okay, to write down something. So that means to put down. The old man was run dash by the bus. Answer would be over. To run over means to be knocked down by a vehicle, right? When a vehicle knocks you down and passes over the body of an animal or person, so it is run over. The battery of our car needs recharging. It has run down. When the battery runs down, it means it is exhausted, it is discharged, and it has become weak. So, run down. The present situation calls dash prompt action by the government. Calls for. To call for something means to suggest strongly that something is very urgent and something should be done immediately, and it's like the requirement, it's an urgent requirement. So that means to call for. My friend called dash me yesterday means is the answer would be on. Call on somebody means to pay a visit to someone. That means to call on. Coming to the next exercise. That is part C. Pratiksha has a firm grip on the wheels, not of the car, but that of bus. She is the only woman who navigates a best bus on Mumbai's pothole-ridden roads. First one is navigates. The second one will be having got a license for it. It is something that I have been wanting. It is something that I have been wanting to master for the last 6 years, grins the recent mechanical engineering graduate. But my love for heavy vehicles is not new. I started with bikes, then larger cars, and now I can drive buses and trucks. And yes, it feels good. Fourth one is feels. I completed my degree in mechanical engineering last month and was planning, the sixth one is was planning to become an RTO officer. But for that, I needed a license in heavy vehicles as it is compulsory. Since I had been wanting, eighth one is wanting to learn to drive. Since I had been wanting to learn to drive a bus, it was perfect. In fact, I want to drive various vehicles on the road. I started with my uncle's bike when I was in grade 8. To his surprise, I picked up riding. 10th one is riding in 2 days. With this, we come to the end of this exercise. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.